Cancun is a beautiful and popular tourist destination in Mexico, known for its white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. However, as with any travel destination, it's important to be aware of certain don'ts to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. Here are a few things to keep in mind when visiting Cancun. Don't carry large amounts of cash or display valuable items, because petty crimes such as pickpocketing and theft can occur, especially in crowded areas or tourist hotspots. Keep your cash and valuables locked in a safe or hidden out of sight. Don't ignore local customs and laws. As we know, Mexico has different laws and customs than many other countries. It's important to familiarize yourself with them and respect them. Another thing is that don't ignore safety warnings and alerts. Keep yourself informed about any safety or security concerns in the area, and take necessary precautions. Don't assume you can drink the tap water. While most hotels and resorts have safe drinking water, it's best to be cautious and stick to bottled water to avoid any stomach problems. Don't ignore the rules of the sea. Cancun is surrounded by the Caribbean Sea, and it's important to follow the rules and regulations to avoid hazards like jellyfish, currents, and undertows. Never ever ignore local weather conditions, because Cancun is located in a tropical climate and is known for its high humidity and heat. Be sure to stay hydrated and take necessary precautions to protect yourself from the sun. Another thing that you should take caution is you should never ignore the rules of the road. If you decide to rent a car, keep in mind that Mexican traffic laws and road conditions can be different than what you're used to. Be familiar with the rules of the road and drive cautiously so that you should not get yourself into serious trouble. Don't ignore the risk of mosquito-borne illnesses. You have to know that Cancun is located in a tropical area and there is a risk of mosquito-borne illnesses such as dengue fever and Zika virus. Be sure to take the necessary precautions, such as using insect repellent and wearing protective clothing. Don't also ignore the risk of natural disasters. Simply because Cancun is located in an area that is prone to hurricanes, be aware of the weather conditions and possible evacuation orders. This is very important for you. The risk of crime is another thing that you can't ignore. As with any major tourist destination, Cancun has its share of crime. Always be aware of your surroundings and take necessary precautions to keep yourself and your belongings safe. Last but not least, don't ignore the cultural differences. As you know, Cancun is a Mexican city, and like any place, it has its own culture and customs. Be respectful of the culture and customs of the locals, and always be mindful of your behavior. So that you can try to capture with the culture. In conclusion, Cancun is a beautiful and popular tourist destination, known for its white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters. While it's generally a safe place to visit, it's important to be aware of certain don'ts to ensure a safe and enjoyable trip. From being mindful of local customs and laws, to taking necessary precautions to protect yourself from the sun and mosquitoes, to being aware of potential risks like crime and natural disasters. By following these simple guidelines, you can make the most of your time in Cancun while keeping yourself safe. Cancun is more than just a place to relax and soak up the sun. It's a place of culture and adventure, a place that will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen and get ready for an unforgettable experience in Cancun. If you found this information helpful and want to stay up to date on the latest travel tips and recommendations for Cancun, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new videos and information that can help you make the most of your trip to the world. We'll be sharing everything from the best places to eat and drink, to the top activities and experiences that you don't want to miss. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. That way you'll never miss a new video. We want to make sure that you have the best experience possible when visiting Cancun, and by subscribing, liking and ringing the notification bell, you'll be sure to have all the information you need for an unforgettable trip. So don't wait. Hit that subscribe button, like this video and ring the notification bell now, and let's start planning your dream vacation in the world together. Thanks for watching.